No, look, calm down. Where did you last see this yellow bird? I fannu yn y goedyn banana. Banana?
WELSH!
Hello, or as we say in Wales, an inside-out hedgehog. Despite their efforts in teeth rotting, I am very fond of carbonated beverages. But due to the nuances in region-specific slang, I find this fact very hard to communicate often. What do I do? Now, where I'm from, Wales, any carbonated beverage, be they cola or one of the many flavours of fruit aid, are referred to as pop. Pop. I learned that elsewhere they refer to pop as fizz. Now, I've got a strong emotional attachment to the word pop, because that's what's used where I'm from, South Wales. And though it pains me to admit this, fizz is the more sensible term for it. When you open a bottle or a can, it fizzes, it doesn't pop. If you open a bottle and it pops, that probably isn't pop. It's champagne. Probably. But it's not pop. Confusingly, where I'm from, South East Wales, if someone is out drinking alcohol, they are referred to as being on the pop. This topic is more complicated than I had anticipated. Local to me, the Rhondda Valleys, South East Wales. There is a music venue called the Pop Factory, and it's called that because it used to be the factory where they bottled pop. Plus 10 EXP for imagination. Similarly, a restaurant opened up nearby in a building which used to be used as the old post office. It is now called the Old Post Office. The mind boggles as to how any new build gets its name. This is a nice new building we've made here. What are we going to call it?
Don't ask me, but I don't know, like what was here before was just an empty space, like.
Then this building shall henceforth be known as the Empty Space.
It's a good name, but there's a good name for it. Empty space, I like it. What's it going to be used for, this building?
A planetarium.
It's pretty cool, but like, got planets in it.
In that example, they luck out. I do hope I have a new word for you today. Damwain. Accident. Beth ddigwyddodd? Roeddwn ni'n cynnichio, reit? A roeddais I bonklist iddo. Sut? Sa'n siŵr, I threw ias wefreiddiol drwyddi a collais I fy ngach. Damwain oedd e. Damwain. Ie, ddamwain. Cachu rwtch. Damwain also sounds as though you were cursing fermented grapes. Why did you fall over when you were drunk? Damwain. I'm sorry, I'll stop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Usually in this plug bit beer, I send you to the Acre Comedy page where we do all our sketches. But coming up May the 6th, we're doing our first live show. It's an hour-long show. We'll have stand-up from people local to us as well. If you are in the area, can you come and have a look, please? Just come and have a watch. It'll change your life if you come and have a look. And I put the link in the bottom, and you just have a look. And then you can come. I've recovered myself now and I'm going to give you the hard sell. Come to the show. All the details are in the comment section below. It will be the best comedy show you've ever seen, written by 4 Welsh idiots about advertising that is on in the Gartholwg area. Come and have a watch of it, or there will be trouble. Non-specific trouble there'll be from me. You intimidated? Well, come and have a watch then. There'll be sweets. That's the Rufus welcoming march. My mouth hurts now.